Hey guys, so in this video I want to show you how you can set up the combo bundle inside of Rapi Bundle. I quickly want to show you how it looks like on this specific product page, and then I want to show you how you can set it up step by step. So as you can see in here, this is what the combo bundle looks like. It's a very simple bundle offer in Rapi Bundle. Buy one, and then instead of buy two or buy three, we have a frequently bought together combo bundle of two different products that are matching. So instead of just buying one Nova eraser, you can actually choose to buy one Nova eraser plus a Nova cream, which is a completely different product in the same bundle, but they actually match. As you can see right here, it's the same type of brand, same type of product. You can simply combine it. That's why it's called combo bundle. So that being said, that's how it looks like. Now I want to show you how you can set it up step by step inside of Rapi Bundle. You want to go to your product. In your product, you want to go to offers. When it comes to the offers, you want to go down to the offers that you have. So it can be your buy one, buy two, buy three option. You want to go to that specific offer. And in here, you just want to make sure that you turn on convert to combo bundle. It's under volume discount. You can just turn on this toggle. And if you turn it on, it's going to be activated. The first thing you can do is change the copy. So instead of frequently bought together, you can be like, combine these two, for example, whatever you want. You can set it up the discount that will be applied, or if you don't want to have a discount, you can also delete this. And then this is the most important part, this is the template. So you can either let the products be displayed above each other or next to each other like this. I prefer this one. And then you want to add the specific products. So in this case, I just want to have two products. You can also have three if you want to. Let's just go for two products. So I'm gonna go with the Nova eraser and the Nova cream. And the last one I'll delete. So just two products. Again, as you might know, you can add 3, 4 products. You can combine as much as you want. In this case, we have these two. Once you've done that, that's pretty much it. This is basically all you can do about the combo bundle. You can obviously change the price and the quantity of each product. So that's how you can set up the combo bundle.